need some stiffer front springs, turn up the damper, maybe raise the front to some light bit so it's not so nervous. Just even increasing preload and compression might be the solution. There's first gear. Let's see what it feels like. See how tall it is. I should ride the V4S next. Maybe a direct comparison. There's the red limiter. Yeah, wrong theory for sure. First doesn't work, second's too small. Before lunch, I rode this RSV4, the RF version, so it'll be fresh in my mind to compare it to the V4S. So that'll be a cool little comparison. And the V4, guys, it handled really awesome. It was really quick steering, easy to turn. It had a quick shifter. The Aprilia was a great street bike in stock trim. So now we're gonna compare that, and the Aprilia had awesome like mid-range, getting closer to top end, tons of power there, real fun. And we're gonna compare it to this guy now back to back for my impression. So click the link in the description and check out the video on board of my first impressions of the Aprilia. Hey guys, this is Marcel Irnie. We are gonna go ride Cam's Aprilia RSV4 RF. This has got some DOT race tires on it, I believe. Yeah, we just checked the pressures. They're good. 34.5 on the front, 25.5 in the rear. It's going to be a loud little GP muffler. Oh, it feels good so far. There's Blue. Hey, Blue. So he's got old suspension in the front and the back. A little bit different than the BMW for sure. Here we go. Let's try to launch it. Just with the clutch. Alright, third gear. Let's see what the gearing's like. Oh yeah, it's auto blip. Oh, it feels good so far. Handlebar position's a little too tight on the handlebars. Oh, good. The auto blip is sensitive, a little more sensitive than my BMW. So we're going to warm up those tires that are already warm on the warmers, acclimate them to the track. I hope you guys can hear me. I'll shut my air vent on the Schubert. Put it in the middle. There we go. So we are on the Aprilia, guys. It's got some engine brake for sure. Oh, it's got some good torque, guys. That sound too. Just trying to get the smooth throttle transition feel. Front end seems a little bouncy so far. Let's get it warmed up. Oh, there's the front in the air. Front end's a little different than the BMW. It feels like a little more like tighter and little sketchier at this point. Hard to explain, I don't know. Gotta hit some more corners. Oh, that auto blip's beautiful though. Yeah, there's a lot of engine brake there in a second. Oh yeah. Oh, it's pretty quick. Woo! It's got some good get up at the top end there. Oh, it sounds so great too. Love that sound. Of course, it is a street bike, guys. It is not mine, so I got to be very careful. Oh, that shifter's giving me an issue though. It's too sensitive. I want to turn the steering damper up. Is it adjustable? It is.
reach in there. Let's see if I can do it. Ah, too hard to reach. I might have got one click on it. Fifth gear, yellow flag. Oh, that downshift is beautiful though. It's way quicker than my BMW. Oh, buddy went in the grass. Little tall grass out there. Woo! Oh, that second gear, that mid-range top end is beautiful. Let's see how it feels in the corners now. Go out wide, lean off the bike, down the outside of these guys. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, there we go. Little rear brakes working great. It's probably got ABS on that. Oh yeah, I could see racing this bike. Oh, it doesn't have the low end, but it's definitely got the mid-range right there. Of course, the gearing could be fixed. Second gear is just too tall. Yeah, it's pretty easy to transition back and forth. Let's see how the traction is. Oh yeah, it's easier to steer than a BMW. The BMW is a fucking heavy little beast compared to this thing in terms of feel. Actuality, I don't know. Let's try the leg dangle and down to second. Suspension feels good. Woo! Oh yeah, I just need that steering down for tighter. There's third gear still. Oh, it's pretty stable on the brakes though. I wonder if I'm bodying him out of suspension right there. I felt a little. Who knows? He doesn't have a marker. No, I can't tell. I gotta be easier on the brakes. Oh, ramp up, ramp down. There's second gear right there. Okay, let's find our way around this guy. Traction wheeling control just turns off, so that's not so nice. The front end is a little sketchy when you're on the throttle. It gets light and like it wants to get a little bar banger, just tiny little versions of it. So that keeps it down. So that's where you gotta be worried about. Those guys don't know the line, obviously. You don't need to touch a knee, guys, to go fast. Obviously. There, that it's got a good transition. It just sounds so quiet when you're off throttle. Tall RPM. Yeah, I rode one of these once before. My student, where was it? In Pittsburgh. No, not Pittsburgh, but Road America. But his bike wasn't running very well. He tried some stupid flash tune. Fucked it up. So this thing is tuned, it's whatever it is, it's running good. Oh, I love that quick shifter. Now that I'm getting used to it. Keep the front end down. There's third. There's fourth. Now we can double. Boom, boom. Oh yeah. That's quick, huh? Oh, that power at 9,000 RPM. It's pretty incredible right there. I mean, this thing's at what, 200 horsepower, this new bike? Well, see, I just touched the quick shifter though. It doesn't do it unless you get a full stroke. Just like you tell the women. The cornering is super precise. Get the weight forward, it feels good. Just gotta turn that damper up. Oh, see how it hits hard? Oh, yeah. What gear am I in second? It's definitely tall gearing. guys, Pacific Track Time. Thanks for having me out here. Oh, this feels better than the BMW. The front end always makes me nervous on my Beamer. I wonder who this is, 337. Oh, it just holds the line. Way better holding a line than the BMW. And right here, it's so hard to steer the BMW through there. Oh, it steers in. It's just way easier to drop it in. Just got to get that front end to be less nervous. On stuff like this where it gets light. It's gonna be hard to pull over here. We did the whole damn session. Oh, I bottomed the front. Oh, okay, I gotta not brake hard. That's dangerous. Good thing I'm going straight and soft when I bottom the front. Alright, one more lap, guys. One more lap. Get on the brakes. Just soft on the brakes. Oh, that power coming out of the corner. Oh, yeah! I love it! Now it suits my butt. Soft braking. Elbow down. Not quite. Woo! There's the BMW. Whoa! Just need some stiffer front springs, turn up the damper, maybe raise the front to some light bit so it's not so nervous. Just even increasing preload, it's a compression, might be the solution. There's first gear, let's see what it feels like. See how tall it is. I should ride the V4S next. It'll be a direct comparison. Wrong theory for sure. First doesn't work, second's too small. Now we get some 400 and CBR here in my way. Down to second. Oh, it soaks up that bump pretty good too on the entrance. Of course, I'm going a little slower. There's the fuel light. That's where I always locked up the front, or hit the bottomed out the front forks. Okay, guys, that's enough fun. There's 6. Let's go down real quick. 1. Wow, that's quick, huh? Oh, listen to that. Sounds so sick. Oh, man. So sick. This thing is awesome. It's so much fun. Yeah, it's got such good mid-range and top end.
Man, the mid-range is unbelievable.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and it handles awesome.
The what?
It handles awesome.
I mean, for what it is, but I mean, off the showroom, I just made a little setting and I really go, fuck this thing is fucking just badass.
Yeah, the only thing that didn't work for me is I need your front end's a little nervous when you get it floating in the air, so I need to tighten up the damper. I couldn't quite do it on track, and I'm bottoming out your forks braking in turn 10. Like it would be like smack, right? I'm like, okay, I gotta not brake too hard. So yeah, just some more damping. Maybe like you probably got like what 95 or springs in there.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, like I need 105s, right? Yeah, because it bottomed out in the one corner. This is your little marker there, but yeah, I had so much fun. I didn't want to pull off.
But the chassis works well.
It's easy to it's really easy to switch direction.
And it's steady as a rock. You lean the corner.
Yeah,
You know?
it just I would maybe just raise the front slightly to get it more stable, because once the front end is light under throttle, it's kind of like twitchy. It little makes you nervous, but it's so much easier to steer than my BMW. Way easier to ride. Just a little nervous right now.
Larry P gonna jump on it, and he's like, "What have you done to the bike?" I go, "No, not much." You know, "Good? You mean stock?" I go, "Fuck, no wonder BRG wanna race." He go, "That's the best street bike ever ridden."
Yeah.
And then Steve Rapp, same thing. He rode it. He went and bought one.
And how do you like it compared to the V4S?
This chassis is better, the Aprilia.
Okay.
No doubt about it.
Yeah.
And the mid range is better. This one's faster. I mean,
Overall package.
Overall.
Yeah.
But
Because this one has a counter-rotating tank, and this one's a V4, but it's really easy to steer, so
yeah.
it doesn't have.
Steering quicker. This one.
This will steer quicker.
Yeah, but the chassis doesn't feel as tight as that one.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Anyways, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, what a great combo. I totally understand why you want to have both. You know, they're very different but very similar at the same time. Both very fun.
I feel like I'm in MotoGP now. Davizioso! I'm on the old Lorenzo ergonomics. Guys fix that shit so much now with this bike. There's an Aprilia in front of me. I followed them, that was dumb. Let's use the real track back. Well, there's my Adobe move right there. Listen to that bike just purr. Oh yeah. Down through the gears. Something hit my foot. I wonder if it was nothing or something. Oh, that front end is loose. Alright, here we are into the corner. My weight is right forward, guys. Head's pretty level. Bike is feeling. Whoa, see how planted it is? Almost went up the inside. I can tell you that doesn't happen with the BMW very often. This thing's split, it just turns in like kind of the first time you ride an R6. It really wants to go in. They got a great package here. Oh yeah, this is